Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change your BMW X5 key battery. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. Having a well-lit and organized workspace will make this simple task even easier. This quick DIY fix can save you time and a trip to the dealership. Next, we will access the battery. Look for the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly and then slide out the emergency key blade. This key blade is crucial for the next step. Insert the tip of the emergency key blade or a small flathead screwdriver into the small slot revealed by the key removal. Gently twist to pry open the key fob cover. Now it is time to replace the battery. Carefully remove the old CR2032 battery from its compartment. Pay close attention to its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. This ensures proper contact and function. Finally, let's reassemble and test your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing and press them firmly together until you hear a distinct click, indicating they are securely fastened. Slide the emergency key blade back into its designated slot. Now, test your key fob by attempting to lock and unlock your vehicle's doors to confirm it is working correctly. You are all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.